Dearest Roblox, I know this may seem weird that I may be in so that's not really related to my channel, but this, as you see, I lost my chat access because I don't want to verify my account. There's games that are only single player that you don't need chat. And I don't know how to play Trusted Connections because a lot of my friends on my account I'm using I know them in real life. I wish I knew how to apply Trusted Connections. And, oops. Hold on. Wait a minute. The 18C is not working properly. Just semi-automatic. Well, Roblox, from this day forward, I declare I'm doing a boycott. And you may be wondering why. Hey, you could have made super safe chat available to the people that don't use the chat, well, who don't verify their account. I'm standing with Schlep on this. You had no right. Also, Meep City's on the rise again. And seriously, Meep City and Meep City nostalgia, they are on the rise. Let's see if the 18C works now. Let's see if I can slam M1 Grand. For any of those who want to be satisfied by the satisfying ping of the M1 Grand. There you go, guys. Also, nail guns. Also, by the way, this game is called Manual Gun Testing Beta. Also, PP Bison. Roblox, you need to learn something. Just because you're trying to hide what you guys were doing, I'm talking to you, David Bazooki. You need to learn not to, ruin your platform and take away people's freedoms of making friends. Seriously, the 18C, people need to learn. I don't really know how to explain this. This is a model 1912 12 gauge shotgun. Roblox. That was best as I ever did. Roblox, take a seat. We need from the community. I stand with the community. This is not my first impressions of this game. I've been playing for a while. Also, there's your AI you use to guess people's age. Well, it guessed an account an owner of an account that was created in 2014 to be 5 years old. Roblox, what are you doing? Schlep really... If you didn't know, Schlep was already a victim. And I know you make this go in quote-unquote making it safer, but no matter what, I am not verifying my account. No matter what. Seriously, Roblox, what are you doing? What are you thinking? What were you thinking when you created this update? This was a bad idea from the start, Roblox. I don't know why I keep firing these rounds, plus this is a Colt Python right here. Roblox, it's time for you to learn. I don't want to get removed from this platform, quote unquote, something I did not do. Eagle. I'm not really a big fan of 58. By the way, that's 58E. Yee. Well, yee. YouTube. Roblox. What are you thinking? Now, how am I gonna make friends? Oh, add my friends and talk to them through your site. Seriously, Roblox, what are you thinking? Roblox, you are so done for. You need to learn to stop putting stock prices ahead of child safety. The only reason why you like this and have a bad actor problem is because you put stock prices over player safety. Seriously, Roblox, I can't believe you have to do this. Roblox, why? Just why? Like I said, the only reason why this platform has a really bad actor problem is because of. That's why if I ever created a company or took over this company, I would absolutely remove this company from the stock market. Look, I know I only have 15 subscribers. I know this is going to be my 12th video, and the first video of 2026, and I hate you, Roblox. I hate you for what you did. You won't let me meet. Well, listen. I know I may sound younger than I actually am. I may look younger than I actually am because I may be a late bloomer. Take, for example, Bryson from Hammer Nations. He's a late bloomer. He's 20. He was like... Oh, yeah. Ugh. Bryson is a late bloomer. What would you do if your AI thought he was a 16-year-old? Want him to show his ID so someone can data breach it? The sad thing is about the shotgun in this game, you cannot slam fire it. Well, Roblox, I used to have 173 friends. I have a lot of other accounts like WSFC50. I created that when I was in 3rd grade. Alright, grenades got reset. Kaboom! One of the nails from the nail gun. Red tip. Roblox, seriously, I'm standing with Schlep, hashtag free Schlep. I really hope you lose that lawsuit. By the way, this is going to be another video. This is Random RR Action speaking. Random RR Action signing out and declaring I'm boycotting Roblox.